In today's episode, we are going to learn on how to disable some of your keyboard keys. This is to fix your keyboard automatic typing problem. We will be using SharpKeys and Key Tweak application to see which will work on your PC. Let us start first with SharpKeys method. As you can see here on my screen, the letter Q is auto-typing itself. It's really irritating, especially when you're typing on Microsoft Word. But don't worry, we have a solution for that. Open a browser and use the link provided in the description to download SharpKeys. I will download the latest SharpKeys version. You have the option to download the source code. I will download here the zip file of SharpKeys. Click SharpKeys zip file, start download. Once done, open folder. Let us copy or cut this zip file to the desktop. I will create here a folder to extract the file. Click the application and make sure to run it as an administrator. This is to make sure that the app has an administrative privilege. Click OK. Click Add. Now, unmap the key. On the left side of your screen, you are going to find the key that is malfunctioning or auto-typing. If you are unable to find it, there's an option to manually type the key. Since the letter Q is my problem here, so I will press it. On the right side, just press turn key off 00 and press OK. It's not done yet. Click on Write to Registry and click OK. It prompted us to reboot our PC to make these changes to take effect. I will now be rebooting my computer. Let us now try if we are successful in disabling the Q key. I will open a text document here and try pressing the disabled letter. Great. The letter Q is now disabled. How about if I am going to enable the Q key again? Simple, we will just open the SharpKey application and run as administrator. Just click Delete and click Write to Registry. Click OK. We need to reboot again the computer for these changes to take effect. I will open again a text document and type the letter Q here. Great. It's now functional. I've tried SharpKeys on Windows 8, Windows 10 and Windows 11 and it works. Now, in case this SharpKeys method does not work for you, don't worry, we will use another method. Key tweak method. To download, just click the link in the description. Since I have already downloaded it, I will just locate the downloaded file. I'll just paste this to my desktop. Right-click on the application and make sure to run it as an administrator. It's a freeware license, just click I agree. Click Install. Click Close. On Start, just search for the Key Tweak app. Here it is. The interface is simple. You're just going to click on the screen the keys that you want to disable. You will see numbers that are mapped to letters and other keys on the actual keyboard. When I press 52, it is letter M and so on. I will choose here number 17 and this is equivalent to letter Q. I will click Disable Key, and click Apply. Once you click Apply, you will be prompted to restart your PC. After restarting, the keys that you've selected will be disabled. This key tweak method works on my Windows 7 Acer laptop. If you have any questions, please leave a comment in the section below. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.